the it is now not in as before, it is like shifted. So now what I will as I told you that after that UL, if I want to give a style to the li, then same thing, I have to write first the class name, which is navbar, then ul, then li. Now if I give a style, then the style will go to the li. So in li, first I will give a margin to be 5 pixel, so 5 px, then padding also 5 px, sorry, I have tab 5 px. Then let's say, okay, I did a mistake here actually. In the UL you can see that the total is UL, right? So I have given 25, so the total becoming 25. I will give 100 to the UL and 25 for each. Okay, so which my mistake was, I have to give the width or flex to 100%. So if I go to the web browser and see it, so now you can see. Now what I will do, after padding, I will give flex to be 25%. Okay, sorry, flex to be 25 for each, 25%. Then give border radius, so border radius to be 5 pixel as well. Then I will give a color of, okay, I already gave the color, I don't need to give it. Okay, if I save it and go to the web browser and see it, so now you can see as it was like this, so it become little, the things becoming like this. Okay, you'll see it later, it will become total like this. Okay, so now after that what I can do, I need to give a like, as you can see it, the color, so I will give the color, then you can see the background, then you can see the change. Let me first give the border. The border 1 pixel solid. Let's give the border to be as the color is here. So let's give it okay, let's see, sorry, let's save it and see. Sorry, okay, you can see the border. So, okay, so now you can easily see that the text is in left side. Okay, in that it is in the middle or center, so that's for that reason I have to give the text alignment. So text align will be in center, text align in center. And I also need to give the background color to be like let's say 7 or no 7 or 4. Okay, if I go to the browser now and refresh it, here we go. Now you can see that it is like though it is not in the right position, but still it is like this. Okay, so now I have to make the position. So for now let the height be decided by the content that we have. Okay, now as you can see, sorry, okay, now okay, as you can see, there is a little more space in this. So what I gonna do, I will use again in the navbar. Total is navbar. The navbar I will give margin left to be minus, let's say 20 or 40 pixel, Okay, now if you can see, so now you can see it is like totally like this. Okay, almost same. Okay, almost same. So now what I'm gonna do, I will make style. As you can see, this white, and I'll give style to this. Then so now let's go to the index.html file. So here is my code. So let's change the to be s2 tag, s2, and I will use the header.to.header. After header, I will use .header. As you know, after header there is s2 tag. I will work on s2 tag. Then in that case, I will give padding top to be 20 pixel, padding left. Where is left? So shit. Always this happened with me. What's happening? Padding and padding left. Padding left 20 and padding bottom, let's say 10. Okay, let me give px. So if I save it now and also save the changes here, so here we go. Now I have to give the color. Let's go to the s2, give the color to be white. If I save it now, so now okay, now you can see that it is almost totally like this. Oh, there is another thing, I have to use the hover effect. There is no any effect. I will make it now, right now. Okay, so now let's go to the code again, style file. So in the effect, let's go there. Okay, let me copy it so that it will take or not take that much time. So if I want to work with the cursor like hover, then I need to use hover. Okay, after hover, what is gonna change? The background will be like, sorry, 7, and another thing, the radius, let it become 0, border, let's say become 1. Okay, if I save it now, I have to give another thing is transition, so that it looks little 0.7 seconds. Okay, so if I refresh it now, so if I now, you can see the changes. It's totally like this, right? So this is for now. So in the next video, I will work with the mobile view. Like in this video, if you can see it, if I want to see the mobile view, then it will become like this. Okay, but in this case it is same, so it will not, in if the width is mobile width is very little or very small, so in that case I need to use MediaTek. In the next video I will do that for mobile view. Okay, so that's for today's this tutorial. So thank you for being with me.